Breaking news, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have just been leaked and we have the first real-life images to prove it. These exclusive photos come from the well-known leaker Ice Universe and they reveal some stunning new design choices from Samsung. Let's dive right in and take a closer look. Check these out. These are the first real-life images of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and they look absolutely stunning. The case has a modern metallic finish with a transparent lid, giving it a premium look. The earbuds themselves have a sleek silver design with a pronounced stamp, which is major departure from Samsung's previous designs. From the images, you can see that the case has a sophisticated design. The earbuds have a unique stem which isn't just for aesthetics. It's likely to improve call quality and battery life. Plus, the silicone ear tips ensure a snug fit for better noise isolation and comfort. In this image, we see the earbuds sitting perfectly in their case, complete with colored indicators for left and right placement, making them super user-friendly. The compact case design ensures easy portability without compromising on battery capacity. And here we have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro connected to a Galaxy device. This seamless connectivity is expected to be a key feature thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 technology, which promises better range and efficiency. But it's not just about looks. Let's talk features. According to the latest leaks, here's what we can expect from the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The Buds 3 Pro are rumored to feature a dual driver setup for enhanced sound quality, giving you richer bass and clearer highs. Samsung is stepping up its ANC game with the adaptive technology that automatically adjusts to your surroundings for optimal noise cancellation. One of the coolest features we are hearing about is blade lights, an LED strip on the earbuds that might indicate battery life or other notifications. These earbuds are expected to be more rugged than ever with an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance, perfect for workouts or rainy days. Impressive battery life is on the table too. The Buds 3 Pro could offer up to 30 hours of total playtime with a case and around 6 hours from the earbuds alone. For audiophiles, the Buds 3 Pro might support 24-bit 96 kHz audio streaming, promising top-notch sound quality when paired with Samsung devices. Expect seamless connectivity and better power efficiency with Bluetooth 5.4, which also includes an auto switch feature to easily transition between devices. We are anticipating the official reveal at the Samsung Unpacked event in July 2024, so mark your calendars. These earbuds could be a game changer in the wireless audio market, challenging even the latest from the Apple. What do you think about the new designs and features? Are you excited about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest tech leaks and news. Until next time, stay tuned.